Hello everyone, welcome you all for the next lecture of the course Selenium with Java. Today is lecture number 21 and the topic is Selenium Script. Okay, so it's the module 3 of the course Selenium with Java. In module 3, first two lectures we have understood what is Selenium, what is the use of Selenium, what is Selenium Suite. In Selenium Suite there were 4 components: Selenium RC, Selenium IDE, Selenium Grid and Selenium WebDriver. So basically, we will use WebDriver because in WebDriver, there is no need for using any proxy server. It directly communicates with the website we are testing. Okay, so Selenium WebDriver and Embark. Now, this is the first program for launching of browser where we will use Selenium WebDriver and we will launch the any URL. Okay, so it is the first simple program. Okay, so let's start now. Prerequisite. Before doing programming of Selenium script, what are the prerequisites? What are the requirements? First of all, Java should be installed at your system. Java should be installed at your system. For writing Java programs, Eclipse should be installed at your system. Okay, we'll do programming with Eclipse software. Now, we are writing the script in Selenium, so we should have Selenium jar files, means libraries of Selenium. So download and configure Selenium jar files. Okay. Now we are doing testing of web applications. So which browser you are using? If you are using Chrome, Mozilla, Firefox, anything. So download and configure those browsers drivers. Okay. These 4 requirements are there for doing programming. You should have Java installed at your system, Eclipse installed, and after Java Eclipse installation, configure your jar files of Selenium with Eclipse and jar files of browsers with Eclipse. Okay. If you remember, while explaining module 1, I have already explained in detail how to install Java and Eclipse. In module 1, basics of Java, I have already explained in detail how to install and configure Java and your Eclipse. Again, I'm giving a quick review, brief overview. First of all, download Java for this from this site, https://www.oracle.com Java Technologies Downloads. Okay. When you will download the Java, then you have to install that. After installation of Java, you have to do settings, Java home setting and Java path menu. Okay. Then mostly systems having Java. So you just have to check whether you're having Java or not. Then run JDK command in your command prompt. Okay. See how. First of all, you have to check which type of platform you're using on your computer. For that, just go to system properties and check the configuration. Okay, so mostly have the Windows, so you have to download JDK according to Windows, otherwise according to Linux system, Mac system. So just you have to check which type of platform you are using. Okay, so I'm using Windows, so I'm having JDK according to Windows. When you will click on the site oracle.com, then you will have this window. Okay, here JDK 20, JDK 17, 2 versions are there. So you can download latest version JDK 20 or previous version JDK 17. It's up to you. Here there are the categories for the different platform: Linux, Macs, and Windows. Okay, so mostly have the Windows. If you are having Windows, click on Windows. If you have a Linux, click on that. So I'm having Windows. I will click on Windows, and Windows, these are the options. 20 Windows Engine. So click on this link and downloading will start. Okay, click on this link and now it will start. When the download will start, then you simply run it, next and finish it. Okay, so Java will be installed. This is the simple installation process. Okay, you have to click on this link. If you will click on this link, you will have this window. Click on this window option if you are having Windows and download. So it will start. After download, just run it. Okay. That is installation, but you have to do some settings. So validate Java home setting. For that, click on system environment variable from your system explorer. Go to a system explorer, click on system environment variable, then click on environment variable, click on new and set name Java home and variable in variable browse the location of Java. Like that, I have JDK means Java development kit. Java file is in C drive program file. Okay. See here. When you will click on this system properties, there is environment variable. Click on this environment variable. Then option new is there. Okay. I'm already having Java home. So it is showing here. C program files JDK7. If you are don't having this, then click on new. And then after new, just browse and you will have this Java home. Okay. This was the Java home setting. Then after the Java home setting, then you have to check the path setting. Okay. For path setting, you have to go to user variable, check path, click on that path and click on new and browse to JDK folder. And then in Java, here you just take in JDK folder. But here after JDK, there is bin folder. You have to select the bin and click on it. In this way, you have set the path also. When Java home setting and path setting done, after that you have to check whether you are having successfully installed Java or not. For that, just go to System Explorer, type CMD command prompt, and in CMD just type Java space dash version. Type Java space dash version. Then you will see this information. Java version is like this. So this is for Java. Okay, I'm explaining you this. Okay, now see what I have said. If you have installed Java JDK, just go to your System Explorer. This is my System Explorer. See here, if you can see, click on the System Explorer. I will just type here added system environment variable. Okay, have clicked system environment variable. See this pop-up window open, system property. In pop-up window, click on environment variable. If you're doing panel with me, then it's here. Environment variable here, environment variable here. Already I'm having Java home setting. If I don't have this setting, click on new. Just type name here, Java underscore home. I'm already having, I'm just showing for you. Then browse directly for variable name. Here, C drive. In C drive, program files. There is this data in such files. And program files, there is JDK folder. Just this folder. Okay. And okay. But I have not done this because I'm already having this home set. Okay. I'm again repeating this step. Okay. If you have successfully installed Java, just download Java and just next finish. So Java folder generally in C drive by default. So go to System Explorer and click on Added System Environment Variable. And System Environment Variable, this pop-up window is there. In this pop-up window, click on Environment Variable. Click on Environment Variable. Just check. This is user variable. This is system variable. Upper one is user variable. Lower one is system variable. First check the system variable. Java home setting is there. Yes, it's there. If it is not there, click on new. Give name here Java underscore home. Java underscore home. Then for variable, browse directly. And directly C drive. C drive, program files. And the JDK folder. Folder will be saved by default. Okay. By default, this folder will be there. Okay. If you will install Java. Okay. I'm not clicking on okay because I'm already having this. This is for system variable setting. Same you have to do for user variable. This is for system variable settings. Okay. Now path setting, or we can say user variable setting. Again, go to a System Explorer. Okay. Again, type added system environment variable. Okay. Again, this pop-up window is there. Click on environment variables. System variable setting already done. We have set Java underscore home. This. Now you have to check the path. This is the path. My path is already there. Otherwise, click on new. Okay, or double click on new. Click on new, browse directory. Then path, what you have to do, you have to go to the C drive, JDK folder, C drive program files. In program files, JDK folder. In folder, you have to select the bin folder. Just select bin folder and click on open. Again, I'm explaining. Go to your System Explorer. Then type added system environment variable. Pop-up window will be there. Click on environment variable. System variable setting is already done. This is Java underscore home. Now we have to check the path setting or user variable. So double click on path. Otherwise, I can what I can do, click on path and new. From that I can use. Otherwise, I'll do, I'll double click on path. Okay. See in this here, I'm already having C program files JDK win folder. C program files JDK win folder. Otherwise, you can add new. Okay, and new browse C drive JDK folder. Sorry, C drive program files. In program files JDK folder. In JDK win folder. Okay, but I'm already having there, so I don't need this. So I have done the both settings, system variables and user. And both settings done. Now you want to check whether you have successfully installed Java or not. So just go to System Explorer and type cmd. That is command prompt. Here just type Java space dash horizon. Okay, just go type cmd at your System Explorer. You will have the command prompt window. Here type Java space dash version. So Java version 17 will install. This is for this your Java. Okay, now next is Eclipse installation. Java is done. That is a part 1 done. Next, we have to see the Eclipse installation. This is a site from where we can install Eclipse, download Eclipse, launch and create Java project and finish it. That you will know very well. But I'll show you. See, I'll show you. When I'll click on this link, Eclipse. Here, see here. Get Eclipse to 23-03. Just click on this. Okay. If you click on this, then in download folder, this is my download folder, Eclipse folder created. Okay. When you will click on this site, download will start. When download will start, what will happen? Sorry, what will happen? This Eclipse folder will be there. An Eclipse folder, eclipse.exe file is there. Okay. When you will click on this, launch option will be there. It will take some seconds. Here, workspace you can change, or you can browse the location. Means where you want to save your data, save your program, depends on you. Okay, I have already created a folder name Selenium, where I have kept all the files. Okay, and workspace name is Eclipse. So in this way, you can change the workspace. You can rename your workspace. It depends on you. Just launch it. I'm not launching because I have already launched it. Okay. See, if you will launch it first time, so you will have this window, welcome window. Okay. When you will launch for first time, you will have welcome window. Here, these options are there. You can create a new Java project. Click on here. Just give the name. If you remember, I have already created a project name with Selenium with Java. Selenium with Java. Finishing. This is reserved for system module. I have already used this. So don't worry. Okay. If you remember, I have already this Selenium with Java. This project I have already created in the module 2. Okay, when we were doing the programs of OOPS, we have already created this project. Okay, so this is for your Eclipse. Eclipse is simple. Once this is done, this is my launching. This is your hello window. This is for creating down. Now, next thing is first step is done. That is Java installation done. Eclipse installation done. Third is Selenium. So for Selenium, you have to install the jar files. You have to download the jar files. Okay. So what for simplicity, I have created a folder named Selenium in the C drive. This is my C drive. I have created a folder named C drive. C. In C drive, I have created the Selenium folder, and in this Selenium folder, I have kept everything. In Selenium folder, I have kept everything. Okay. So what you have to do, just click on this site. Okay, Selenium .download. Okay, this is the web link. I just enter this site. Okay, latest version is 4.9.1. Click on this, then you will have this latest version. Okay, like this, you will click downloading will start here. Now, Selenium Server 4.9.1 jar, and here when I have done this Selenium jar, my version was 4.7.2. So version changes. Okay, so what you have to do when a download will start, then what you have to do, create a folder named Selenium jar inside the Selenium. In C drive, I have created a folder named Selenium. Listen again, listen carefully. In C drive, I have created a folder named Selenium. In Selenium, I have created a folder named Selenium jar. Here I will extract all the files. Here I'll extract. Okay, see here, this downloading done. Okay, shown in folder. This is my download folder. But I'll extract this. I'll copy this. See, you can copy here from here, Control C. Go to your Selenium folder and Selenium jar folder. You can paste over. Okay, Selenium server 4.9. But I'm already having 4.72, so I'm not doing this. I'm removing it. Got it? Again, listen carefully. This is my download 4.9 jar file. Okay. No need of opening it. Just I'm checking showing folder. It's in my download folder. Just copy from here. Again showing copy from here and go to your Selenium folder in C drive. I have created a folder in C drive. In Selenium folder, I have created a folder with name Selenium jar. Here I will paste over here. Okay, but I'm not doing this. I'm already having the jar file. But it doesn't matter. Don't worry. Okay, so this is done. Jar file. Now, see. The next option is download and configure your jar files. Okay, configuration I'll show you along with browsers. First, check which browser you are using. Download and configure browser drivers. So various platforms are there. For Mozilla Gecko driver, you have to install. For Google Chrome, you have to download Chrome drivers. For Apple Safari, Safari driver. For MS Internet Explorer driver. For MS Edge, Microsoft WebDriver, and for Opera Chromium Driver. Okay, so I'm using Google Chrome, so I'll download Chrome Drive. Okay, first you have to check Chrome latest one. How you will check? Go to your Chrome site. See here, the three dots are there. In three dots, go to the help and help about Google Chrome. Click on this. Okay. Now what is it showing? 113.0.5672 like this. Official bill 64 days. Again, listen. Click on the three dots. Click on help. Then help about Google Chrome. In Google Chrome, your version. Whatever the latest version, you have to download the driver for latest version. Okay. So here. Chrome driver, latest version. In help menu, I got the latest version 113. Okay. If you remember in help menu, latest version 113. So I'll do the settings for 113. So I have searched Chrome driver 113. So web driver for Chrome, click on it. See here. If you're using Chrome version 114, then download text. 113, download this, 112. So currently I'm having at my system, Chrome 113. For your system, it will be different. And remember, the Chrome version should be according to your Chrome. Okay, driver should be according to your Chrome version. If you're having version 113 and you are downloading the 112 driver, then your program will not work. Okay, so I'm having 113, then I have to install this Chrome driver, download it. See, Chrome driver in 32, I have already downloaded. After download, where I'll save it. Okay, because it's a zip file. So what you have to do, see, again, C drive, I have already created a folder Selenium. In Selenium, previously I have created a folder Selenium jar. Now create a folder named drive. Again, listen, in C drive, we have already created a folder named Selenium. In Selenium, we have created a folder with name Selenium jar. Similarly, we have to create a folder with name drive. And in driver, extract your Chrome drive. Okay. I have already, actually, I have previously I have 108 version, then 112, then 113. So I have done there. Chrome drive in 32. Then here Chrome driver.exe. So what you will do? See here. This is my Chrome version. See, show in folder. Okay, just extract all. Here you can browse the settings. In setting, I have already created a C drive. In C drive, I have created a folder named Selenium. In Selenium driver folder, in driver folder Chrome driver. Here I have X. Again, listen. This is my download version. Okay. What I'll do, I'll just right click it, extract all. Here in browse, I'm giving the location. Location I'm giving in C drive. I've created a folder with name Selenium. Okay, Selenium, not Selenium jar. Sorry, Selenium only. Selenium. In Selenium, you have created a folder driver. Otherwise, create the folder name driver. Click on it and just extract here. Okay. So I'm having the older version also. That's why I'm doing this. Otherwise, you can directly extract. Select folder and extract. So this is your driver settings. Understood? Now we have installed browsers also, the drivers also, and installed Selenium jar file also. But what we have to do, we have to configure also. For configuration, what we have to do, we have to click on project, build path, configure build path, add external jars, okay, and set location and apply close. For this, I'm starting my Eclipse. Okay, in Eclipse, okay, if you remember, in module 1, we have done programming. We have created module named Basics of Java. Okay, this I was again this. Okay, I was just showing you by creating this name, so I'm deleting this. Okay, so basically we have created a project name Selenium with Java. In this, first I have created the project Basics of Java, where we have done so much programming. Selenium Java, convicts, hello world, program ladder, if loop, net, array, switch, and all. Okay, this we have done. Next, we have done Selenium OOP. In Selenium OOPs, we have done programming of abstraction, encapsulation, exception handling, inheritance, OOPs, and all. Okay, so these two we have done. Now, next we are doing now. I have created a project name module. Otherwise, I'm deleting it and again. One second, what happened? I'm deleting this to be dusty. There's some issues in deleting. Module is not deleting. File new Java project. I'm giving Selenium module 3. Module 3 Selenium Script. Okay, I'm giving the main. Next, don't finish. Actually, I this don't I have to click on don't create, so just I'm deleting it. Okay, just I'm this module is not removed by I don't know what happening. Okay, I'm not able to edit. Don't worry. So and now I have created a new Java project, module 3 Selenium Script. For that, just click on file, then new Java project, and give this some name. Okay. So this is my JRE already saved, SC17. Okay, because I have installed JDK version 17. We are having 20, then the here version will be changed. Okay. I have created this module 3 Selenium Script. In module 3 Selenium Script, JRE system library and SRC. Click on the system library, click on build path, then configure build path. Okay. Here you will get this you can edit it if you are not having the current version of JRE, but I'm already having 17, so I cannot edit it. Okay. Here, add external jar is not enabled, but it will should enable. See. Right click on the project. Okay, right click on project. Click on build path. Click on add libraries or configure build path. Okay. When you click on this libraries, add external jar is not enabled. Build path. So not like that. We'll start build path, add external, configure build path, and build path libraries. Maybe I'm already having, that's why it's not showing. Let's see. Okay, just right click on your project name, Java project, then click on build path, then click on configure build path, and just click on libraries. Okay, then here already I'm having this jar file, otherwise add external jar. I click on your jar file, open. Okay, then apply and close, but already I'm having, so I'm removing it. Okay, click on this, add external jar, benefits. Okay, this is for Selenium jar files. Okay, this is for your Selenium jar files. Now we will do first program. We will do first program. Okay. So, in module 3, this is my project name, module 3 Selenium Script. Here I am creating a new package. Right click on this, new. In package, I am giving name Selenium Script. Package name is from in small letters. I'm changing it. Finish. Okay. This is my Java project name, module 3 Selenium Script. In Java project name, just right click, new, and then package, and give a name package. Name is Selenium Script. Now right click in the package. Right click on the package and click on new. I'm creating a class. And class name is I'm just launching a project. Launch. First letter capital always. Class name launch browser. I'm including main. Finish. Okay. Package name is Selenium Script. Class name is launch. Now name spelling mistake launch browser for B and so for renaming it, right click on it and click on refactor and refactor click on rename. And I'm changing it over here, launch browser. Okay, finish it. Then now we'll understand first the program. Then we will do directly on the Selenium. So see the program here. See, first package. Here package name is different, but here we have used package name is Selenium Script. Okay, and we are going to write the program for launch browser. Means we want to launch some website. Okay, this is our class name launch browser. This is our class name launch browser. This is our main. Okay, forget this throw exception. I'll explain later. First, this is your class name launch browser. This is your method main method. Okay. First of all, if you want to go with Chrome, then you have to install the Chrome driver. So here you have to set the property of Chrome driver. You have to set the property of Chrome driver. So syntax is, remember, system dot set property. System as capital. It's case sensitive. So remember system as capital dot set property. Then if we are going with Chrome, then you have to type webdriver.chrome driver. Means we are taking WebDriver as a Chrome driver. Then you have to give the location of your Chrome driver you have installed. Okay. System.set property. See, system is your preferred class, like that. Set is your method to access Chrome. Set property means method to access, like that. So WebDriver, Chrome driver, then its location. Understood? Okay. If there is a like Mozilla, then you will write webdriver.mozilla driver, then location of Mozilla where you have installed. Okay. See, now next is leave these two lines. Now first here. Now WebDriver is Chrome driver. Now for access anything, you know the concept of oops, you have to create the object. So we'll create the object of WebDriver. So we're mentioning WebDriver object. We have taken WT. Otherwise, you can take anything ABCD, whatever parameter equals to new. Now, which driver we are using? Chrome drivers. Mention here Chrome driver. Okay. WebDriver WT equals to new Chrome driver. Now, when the URL will open, you want Windows to be maximum font. So type WT is this parameter dot manage, which you want to manage window. What you do want to do with window, you want to maximize. Here the URL want to open. So it will show the URL. But you want something on console. I want title of web page. So here dot get title, you will get the title. Okay. Now thread dot sleep is like a wait. Means you are giving one command and two commands. It will not wait. So for wait concept, we'll use thread dot sleep and a milliseconds time, 2000 milliseconds. Okay. Then quit means to close the window. We are just opening the window and close it. Okay. Now see. This is your Chrome. Okay. Now I'm doing in front of you. First, what I have to do, I'm taking the system SYSPM system. Okay. I'm doing work with system. I have to set the property. Dot set the. Okay. I'm already getting the suggestions. Dot set property. But I'll not take here because I want a set property, not properties. Okay. System dot set property. You don't need to type everything. You'll get in suggestion. System dot set property means property of drivers. Which driver you are going to use? So I'm going to use web driver. Driver dot and what? Yes, you have to import this also. Click on this. Not class. Dot Chrome driver. CHRO. See the big capital. Chrome driver. Okay. And comma close. Web driver dot Chrome driver. Here I'll save the location. Okay. How to check the location? Location means see here. My Chrome driver was in C. In C drive folder is Selenium. In Selenium folder is driver. In driver, I'm having this folder and this. So check where you are having Chrome driver.exe. Just check where you are having your exe file. For simplicity, I have already explained you. Just make a folder, Selenium in C drive, then folders driver, then extract all the files. So from here, see in this, I'll just select it and copy it for location. And I'll paste over here. This is one. Okay. Again, listen. Just go to your exe file, and from here, I'll check this location. But it is not completed. It is not completed. Okay. What you have to do? Here, again, one more backslash. And have to mention Chrome driver.exe. So it's an exe file. Okay. Now, and close this. This syntax error. Let me check which syntax error here. Web driver dot Chrome driver. Okay. Web driver dot Chrome dot driver. Okay. Chrome or again. Okay, misplaced construct means we are not using this. We'll use later on. Then maybe this will remove. Okay. So this is now I'm using web driver. Web driver. I'm taking creating object web driver WD equals to new Chrome driver. And small bracket and close. Okay. Here this is a case sensitive, so W should be capital, D should be capital. Okay. C should be capital and D should be capital. Hmm. Okay. W should be capital, D should be capital, C should be capital, D should be. Okay. Now we want to open the site wt.get string. String means some URL. Now I want to open google.com, just press google dot. Otherwise, I have to type www dot. Let's see if it's working out. Google.com. Here is the issue of import. We have imported Selenium WebDriver, but we have not imported Chrome driver. So here, we will click on it. It is showing import Chrome driver. Click on. Okay. So this error removed. This also removed. What is here? System dot set property. Syntax error. Some comma mistake is over here. Location closed. Comma is there. Dot mix is over there. Check. Data manage. Syntax algorithm. It's responsible. Yeah, inverted commas not there. Invalid SQL sequence. I'll put them down. Single backspace. It was showing error for single backspace, so I have capped it double. Okay, now we run it. Because logically there is no error, but still my site will not work. Okay, I have launched google.com. So it was just start the Chrome. Chrome is being controlled by automated test. Means it's starting Chrome, but it is not opening this google.com. This is the issue with the latest version of this Chrome driver. See here. This is a console window. See at the window. Exception in thread main, unable to establish web socket connection to this localhost. Okay. Means it is not connecting to google.com. It is opening the Chrome drive. So for that, the solution is we have to add the origin, add arguments. Okay. How to add arguments? So, for that, we have to use Chrome options, Chrome, C capital, options, and options. I'm taking with name variable options equals to new Chrome option, because Chrome is opening, but it is not opening the URL. Chrome options, post, and options. I have taken variable name with options. So for other options, dot add arguments. See, suggestions are there. Add arguments. Here arguments I'm adding remote allow origin. Remote allow origin. Then close. So what happened? It is opening the Chrome but it is not opening the google.com browser. So some origin issues. So by adding this argument, it will not block anything. It will open everywhere. So how we add arguments, we have to create the variable of Chrome option. Okay? So Chrome options, variable name options, new Chrome options. With this variable, I'll add the arguments. Now this side will work. It is not working means I have to check whether I have written this remote allow origin right or not. Let me check. Here it was origins. I have written origin, but it was origins. Okay. Now run it. If you are doing parallel with me, so please correct it. It was not origin, it was origins and then star mark over there. Mhm. What I'm getting over there. Unable to establish web socket connection. That is the same as yes, I have created this option here, but this option I have not used WebDriver. So what will WebDriver do? It will confuse. Now it will open. WebDriver is working. Chrome driver is working. But the Google URL is not working. For that we have used options, Chrome options variable, but we have not mentioned over here. That's why it was not working. Valid. See what was the mistake? I have just simply typed google.com, but I have not mentioned HTTP. So if I will not mention HTTP, it will not come. Okay. So you understand what was the mistake? I have not mentioned the variable over here. We are using Chrome driver, but for Chrome driver, okay, we have used Chrome options and variable option. We have not used here. That's why it's showing a mistake. But now I want to get the title. I want titles to be print. So for that, I used CISO command, CISO control space. Okay. Now I want title should be printed at this console. This is the console. So the title of the web page is okay. Now for getting title, what command you have to use? WebDriver variable is WD. So mention WD here. Dot save get page get title. Okay. So while this, you will get the title of the web page at console also. Okay. I'm waiting over here. No, I have not closed this. The title of web page is Google. So I want this close also. So variable name is WD, variable WD. So I want this quit or close. Okay. Quit or close difference if multiple browsers are open. So you want to close current browser, you want to close all the browsers. That's different. But here we are dealing with one browser only. here. Now Google will open and close because we have mentioned quit command and the title of web is Google. Okay. Now we want our this Google is opening is not in maximize form. See again this see the I'm running it. See this window is not maximize form. It's in minimize form. So I want to deal with this window. Okay, so how to deal? The variable name for WebDriver is WD. WD. Not here. I will come while opening time. WD dot. I want first to be manage. Manage. What if I want to manage? Window. Dot window. What do we do with window? Maximize. Dot maximize. Okay. Means I want to deal with this window. First WD WebDriver. Okay. WebDriver variable name. Then I want to manage this. What I want to manage window. What I want to do max. Now window will be in maximize. Run. Suddenly it switched. So you can't observe the difference. Okay. If I'll remove this quit command, then you can see the difference. It maximizes the window. Window was maximized. And now you want to quit also, but you want that it should open for some time. Okay, then it quit. So you want to wait, give some wait. So for wait concept, we'll use state dot sleep. T capital state dot sleep. Here time in milliseconds, so I'm giving 2000 suppose. Okay, this is for wait. Means it will open the site and it will wait for some seconds, which like I have mentioned 2000 milliseconds, 2 seconds. It will wait for that time, then it will wait. Now in cross, it is showing you have to throw declaration. So click on throw declaration means during main method declaration, you should declare this exception. Click on this exception. The throw exception means you are already declaring in the main method that you want to wait for some time. Okay. So for that purpose, we add throws exceptions. So now run it. Now URL is opening. After opening, maximize, and after 2 seconds, quit. Then we have done the first script. Okay. So remember in the main method, first we had set the property. Property of what? WebDriver. Which type of WebDriver you're using? We're using Chrome driver. So mention Chrome driver and location of it. Okay. Then whatever WebDriver you're using, okay, create object for that. So WebDriver objects W we have taken WD. You can take anything ABCD or ABW whatever. So WebDriver WD new Chrome driver. Okay. Now since the latest version of 113, it is Chrome driver is opening, but the particular URL is not opening. For that, we have to add arguments, remote allow origins. Okay. So this is syntax. Okay. Syntax is Chrome options. Variable you can take anything. So I have taken options. Chrome options equals to new Chrome options. Then options dot here will add the argument remote allow origin. Now it will allow everything from from which origin it's coming. It will allow. So any URL can be opened. Okay. But here you have given the variable options. So here you have to mention in bracket Chrome driver option. Means Chrome driver is working with this options. Option means it's working with the remote allow origins. It will not mention option here. So it will simply Chrome driver open. It will not be, open the URL. But we have not mentioned variable here. If option variable mentioned here, so it will understand this option is the object of Chrome options, which is saying that remote allow origins is allow everything. Okay. Then we have given the URL. Remember, I have not mentioned HTTP. It's for not working. So HTTP or HTTPS you have to insert. Okay. Then I want Windows to be in maximized form. So variable wt WebDriver dot manage. We are managing the window dot window, and what you want to do with window, you want to maximize. Then you want the title of web page. You want to close the window, wt.quit. You want there should be some gap between open and close. Otherwise, you will not understand where it's open and when it's closed. So give gap by adding thread.sleep command. It's like a wait command. Here time in milliseconds. So 2000 2 milliseconds, 2 seconds, 2000 milliseconds. You can get 5000 times or whatever you want. Okay. This is a basic program. If you will not understand this program, then you cannot understand the further program because the advancement will be in lecture by lecture. Okay. So first we are opening the browser, then we will dealing with the forms, we will log in. Okay. How to log in the particular site, okay, how to handle the windows, how to handle the forms, how to handle the navigations, images. So first is the simple program to just open any site like google.com. Yeah, here you can write yahoo.com. Okay, like you can write Amazon. I don't know Amazon is the full site name is. Suppose this is Amazon. Site is www.amazon.in. I'm taking site from over here. I'm just pasting over here. Oh, it's not working. Amazon.in. HTTPS www.amazon.in. HTTPS means it's a secure site. Okay, as I'm adding here. So here I'm adding Amazon.in. Join.in. Okay, now run this. Sometimes it's hang, it takes some time. Okay, this. First, Amazon.in is opening. Then window is maximizing. Then this is closed. And the title of web page is online shopping site in India, shop online for mobiles, books, watches, shoes, and more, Amazon.in. Okay. Title of web page is online shopping site, India, shop online for mobiles, books, watches, shoes, and more. Okay. So this is the type of assignment homework you can do. Check with different URLs. Like you here, you can add Myntra also. I don't know when Myntra full site is. Myntra.com. Right? There Myntra dot not dot in, it's .com. See, Myntra.com is opening. After opening, window is maximizing. Taking some time. Depends on load on this particular site. Okay. Sometimes the hello, due to heavy load, it will not work fastly. It will take some time. Opening only. Okay. Now open, maximize it. After 2 seconds, close. So this one, title of web pages, online shopping for women, man, kids, fashion and lifestyle, Myntra. So in this way, we have learned the first program of Selenium Script, launching of browser, means launching of any website. We have not done any testing. We have just launched the website to the Selenium Script. So first we have learned the prerequisite, means what requirement you should have installed Java, JDK, Eclipse, and Selenium jar files, and this Chrome drivers latest version. Okay, then we have launched this browser. So thank you so much. In next lecture, we will learn how to handle the web locators. Okay, so till that time, God bless you. Take care. Bye.